Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy the Eagle Image API. It's going to take us less than 5 minutes, and we're going to actually test to see how it's working. It's important that you have serverless framework installed. I'm talking about serverless.com. You can go here, follow the documentation, and install it. The first thing we're going to do now is that we're going to clone the repo. Okay. So now we have to copy the end file. It's gonna be this end file example. I'm gonna create a copy, and then we're gonna make the necessary changes. Just development, get to error. This one is important, and you wanna restrict this to your origins only. My origin is an S3 bucket. And this one, for example, in production environments, I'll recommend to set it to true. So in case that it cannot process an image, it's going to redirect to the main image. So now let's just go on and deploy this in a stage test. Oh, it seems that I'm missing a plugin, so yeah, I need to do this. Okay. So now this is gonna package everything. It's gonna upload it to AWS. I already have my AWS credentials set in my environment, and it's gonna run a CloudFormation deployment. Keep in mind that the first time you're running a deployment, this is gonna deploy a CloudFront endpoint, which takes some time to be enabled. So while the endpoint is being deployed, I'm going to use a Postman collection, which you can copy directly from the repo here. You have this button here and this one here. And I'm going to modify one of the environments because I already have information for CloudFront. Okay, so I already created the new environment. I'm going to select it here. And already put the values I need to put on each of the variables that Postman is going to use. As you see here, this is long running. It's going to take a few seconds more. Okay, so now we have this deployed. Keep in mind that this is the API gateway endpoints, and you want to use the CloudFront. For that, you need to go to your AWS account. Let's test it on Postman. So the first thing we do is we go and we check the help endpoint. This base URL is my URL in CloudFront. Run, and you're going to see an eagle emoji here. That means that this is up and running, and you can test all the different endpoints. Let's try that. Let's try the image resize. Great. And let's try the unauthorized, which is going to use an image from an endpoint that is not authorized. Origin not allowed. Then you can also try Aviv or WebP. You see, it's pretty fast even on the first processing of the image. Once it's cached, then it's going to be very fast because it's using the CloudFront CDN. That was all. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave any comments or contact me if you need any help.